Oh, hi. How does a samgyeopsal date sound to you? Enticing, right? But you're also probably worried about the lingering samgyeopsal smell to your clothes. Tama? Don't worry, because Surf Fabcon got you. When it comes to our clothes, Surf talaga ang personal choice ko. And syempre, pagdating sa Fabcon, Surf pa din ang gamit ko. Kasi tumatagal talaga yung bango sa mga damit namin. And these are the two variants na current fave ko. Surf Fabcon Blossom Fresh, this is Surf's most flowerful bango. As in 3 times haba-habango up to 24 hours. And this is Surf Fabcon Antibacterial Plus Mint. I love this kasi it kills up to 99% of bacteria with long-lasting freshness. At dahil Surf Fab conquers for love and Surf Fab conquers amoy usok, Surf has an ongoing promo where you can win a free samgyeopsal date. Yes, sagot na ni Surf Fab ko ng Only Sarap meal at ang habang-habango even after mag-samgyup. Check out Surf's Facebook page for the mechanics on how to join the promo. Hurry kasi until March 2 na lang pwede mag-submit ng entry. Good luck!